Got my Rolex on. Got my retro sunglasses on. I took my bathing suit off.
Okay, so I think we're gonna go try to get on the ride before it's completely to the public. You got here a little later, but stay on site to get early access to the water park.
So this is what the Tapu Tapu relates to. You just scan it and then you wait in line virtually. Well, they say you don't wait in lines, but you actually do, like 15 minutes. I have my GoPro, but I have no idea if they're gonna let me actually use it on the slides, and if they don't, it's gonna suck, but I'm gonna try my best to use it wherever I can. Alright, so apparently I'm not allowed with GoPros in the water on pools. Stupid. So I'm just gonna get on this drop slide 4 feet?
4 feet.
Because it's 6 feet, it's way too long and it's basically the same thing. Also, my underwear on is backwards. I went down that drop slide 3 times and I was running up the stairs, so I'm out of breath. That counts as cardio. Woo. I hate it because I don't have my goggles on, so I can't see underwater with my contacts. But yeah, I don't think anything I just recorded made sense because I'm out of breath. So next time I come here, I need to buy a body strap for my GoPro. But even then, I don't think they will allow me with a GoPro. Just because, like, I get it, I'm responsible for my own GoPro. If I lose it, if I break it, it's my fault. But at least I think I'm allowed on the lazy and the fast river, but it depends on the lifeguard, so. Might not be able to film anything, might be able to. So if I can't, I'm sorry. That's all I can say. It's recording now. Just hold it by like this.
Alright, and just hold it.
Yeah.
Alright, run to catch up with them. Say hi. Hi, Stephanie. Say hi. Here you go. Now let's record this and record this. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi and be in the butt. Say hi and be in the butt. Butt. Say cheese. Oh my, no, don't. Who was that? Dad. Hey, Susie. All right, look, they're waving again. Woo! All right, they're gonna come down. Now watch. That was them.
Did you hear us screaming?
Was that one?
I almost fell off that thing, but here we are. You have to wear this in here. Like, there's no way you can't. It's warm at least. You just sit back. Sit back, relax, and get drowned. Get drowned. Woo! That's the wall, that's the wall. This is where you walk. Oh shit. Oh no, that's the sound of a big wave. Like, look at us in our yellow, like, uniform.
Oh, this is where it gets hot. This is where it gets dry.
This is where I scrape my knee. This is where you get... dramatic, like. That's what the audio is. So
Oh, okay.
you kind of have to hold hands in here because jump over the waves. Or with the waves, jump with the waves. When the waves jump, so do you. I'm gonna get that tattoo. Do all the ugly faces we made throughout this whole entire video.
Under?
This always happens before you know. I have like 2 pairs of apples at home. Why didn't I bring them? This is how I float. It's like on my back. It's sexy. I think I have boogers in my nose. Like, oh my hand. It's the sound of death, my friend. We're too far for it.